says, who's better, someone doing a general science degree or a data science degree? What is a general science degree? I don't think that's a thing. Hey, what'd you major in? Science? Which one? All of them? I just majored in science, bro. Is that a thing? Give me more information, guys. I don't think that's a thing. Like it, yeah, I don't get it, dude. Orange Blossom says double 00 hilarious. Yeah, 00 guys. Please keep 00 in your thoughts and prayers. Some people out there need our help, guys. And I'm so glad that this community can come together and see our fallen brother and reach out our hand in friendship and say, I'm here for you, my fallen brother. So, guys, let's all keep 00 in our thoughts and prayers, okay? Um, Goldie, your statements are a little weird, guy. Goldie, I don't respect people who can't keep to a straight story. You keep on changing your story. You're a weird dude. KT says there's a degree called general science, usually for people who later on want to go to med school or something like that. What country are you in, KT? Because in the US, I don't think we have a general science degree. You might have pre-med tracks, but that might be somebody who's studying biology or chemistry or something else like that. But there's no general science degree. There might be in other countries, right? I'm open to that, but I really can't give you an answer because I don't know that there is a general science. KT says Canada. Okay, I mean, is Canada still a country? Is Canada still a thing? I don't know. Let me know in the chat, guys. Okay, so the question in front of the chat right now is Canada a thing? Let me know in the chat. You guys can tell me. The good doctor can tell me. The good doctor lives near Canada, right? So, yeah. I mean, I don't know if Canada counts, guys. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the chat. But a general science degree? I've never heard of such a thing. It just doesn't make sense. Like, what do you even study in a general science degree? Like, I get it. You could probably study the scientific method.